If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit, a secured credit card can be a great tool. The Credit One Bank secured card is one such option designed to help those with limited or poor credit history. It's easy to qualify for and offers a straightforward path to improving your credit score. In this review, we'll dive into the key features of the Credit One Bank secured card, covering everything from its fees to its benefits and whether it's worth considering for your financial needs. The Credit One Bank secured card functions like a traditional credit card, but with one major difference: you're required to put down a security deposit as collateral. This deposit typically equals your credit limit. For example, if you put down $500, that will be your credit limit. This deposit reduces the risk for the issuer, making it easier for people with low credit scores to get approved. Once approved, you can use this card like any other credit card. The idea is to make regular, on-time payments and keep your balance low, which helps improve your credit score over time. As you demonstrate responsible use, your credit score may gradually improve, potentially leading to opportunities for better credit cards down the road. One attractive feature of the Credit One Bank secured card is its lack of an annual fee. Unlike some secured cards that charge a yearly fee, this card lets you focus on building credit without that added cost. However, it does have a relatively high ongoing interest rate of 29.74% variable. While this is common for secured cards, it's still something to be cautious about, especially if you plan to carry a balance from month to month. There is no introductory APR offer on this card, meaning any balance you carry will start accruing interest immediately. Additionally, there are no balance transfer options, which limits its flexibility if you have existing debt to consolidate. The Credit One Bank secured card is a solid choice for those who are focused on rebuilding their credit. If you have had issues getting approved for other credit cards, or if you're just starting to build your credit history, this card provides a reliable stepping stone. Since it doesn't have an annual fee, you can focus on making timely payments without worrying about additional costs. This card is also beneficial for those who want to keep things simple. It doesn't come with any complex rewards programs or cashback offers. Instead, it's designed purely to help you establish a positive payment history, which is the foundation of a good credit score. One of the biggest advantages of this card is its accessibility. Even if your credit is far from perfect, you have a good chance of being approved as long as you can provide the required security deposit. This makes it a useful tool for anyone looking to turn their credit situation around. Another benefit is the $0 annual fee. Many secured cards charge a fee just for holding the card, which can be a burden when you're trying to build credit. With the Credit One Bank secured card, you can avoid that extra cost, allowing you to focus solely on improving your credit score. Despite its positives, there are some downsides to this card. The high interest rate is one of the main drawbacks. At nearly 30%, carrying a balance can become expensive very quickly. For this reason, it's crucial to pay your balance in full each month if possible. Another limitation is the lack of rewards. Unlike some other secured cards that offer cashback or points, this card is purely focused on credit building. While that might be fine for those who need to rebuild their credit, it's something to consider if you're looking for more value from your spending. If you're in a position where you need to rebuild your credit and are comfortable with the idea of a secured card, the Credit One Bank secured card is worth considering. It's straightforward, has no annual fee, and is accessible to those with less than perfect credit. However, if you're looking for a card with more perks or a lower interest rate, you might want to explore other options. Remember, the key to making the most out of this card is using it responsibly. Make sure you pay your bills on time, keep your balance low, and avoid carrying a balance whenever possible. If you follow these steps, the Credit One Bank secured card can be a valuable tool on your journey to better credit. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.